Good morning, students. My dear students, look at the picture. Here is the situation 1, the picture, the first picture and the second picture. What do you see in the first picture? We can say, what do you see in picture number 1, first picture? Yes, a boy and there is a kite on the ground. Yes or no? Yes, there is a boy and there is a kite on the ground. In the second picture, what do you see in the second picture? In the second picture, we see a boy is flying a kite. A boy is flying a kite. Yes or no? Yes. So my dear students, have you ever flown kites? Anybody? तुम केबे गुड़ी उड़ेच? Have you ever flown kites? Yes. Anybody? Yes, you. When the kite is in the air, is it interesting or boring? It is very interesting, yes or no? How do you feel it is very interesting for you? Yes, can say, who can say? When the kite is in the air, what will happen? Yes, the kite is up and down, up and down, up and down, yes or no? It is very interesting. When the kite is dead on the ground, whether it is interesting or boring. So let us come to sing a song about a kite. Okay. First listen to me, then you will open your book and see what I am telling you. Okay. First listen to me. A kite on the ground, a kite on the ground is just paper and string. Is just paper and string. Look at the blackboard. A kite on the ground. A kite on the ground is just paper and string. Is just paper and string. But up in the air, it will dance and sing. It will dance and sing. The kite of the ground is just paper and string. But up in the air, it will dance and sing. It will dance and sing. A kite in the air will dance and caper. Will dance and caper. But back on the ground is just string and paper. It's just string and paper. Okay. Now look at your book. Follow me. Yes. A kite on the ground. मो सांगे समस्त पढ़ मुझे पढ़ुची. A kite on the ground. Look at your book. A kite on the ground is just paper and string. But up in the air, it will dance and sing. A kite in the air will dance and caper. But back on the ground is just string and paper. It's just string and paper. Again, outre padiba. A kite on the ground. A kite on the ground is just paper and string. but up in the air, it will dance and sing. A kite in the air will dance and caper, but back on the ground is just string and paper. String and paper. Okay? एबे मु तुमको कहबी तमे टिके ए जो पोएम टाकू टिके साइलेंट रीडिंग कर मने मने टिके पढ़ मु जा पढ़ेल तुम तो टिके मने मने पढ़ समस्त टिके मने मने पढ़ साइलेंट रीडिंग. After silent reading, I will ask some question, then you will answer me. Have you completed? Yes. Who can say what is the poem about? Who can say? Can anybody say? What is the poem about? Yes? Yes, you are right. The poem is about a kite. The poem is about kite. The poet speaks of two situations of a kite. What are they? The poet speaks of two situations of a kite. What are the situations? What are they? The first situation, you remember the picture? The first situation, the kite is on the ground, and the second situation, the kite is in the air. There are two situations. First situation, the kite is on the ground, and the second situation, the kite is in the air. In which situation is the kite more active? In which situation the kite is more active? Whether on the ground or in the air? Yes, who can say? When the kite is in the air, it is more active. It is more active. It is interesting or more active. More active. Okay. What does it do when it is in the air? Yes. It will dance and sing. It will dance and sing. Okay. How is it when on the ground? When the kite is on the ground, how it is? Just paper and string. Paper and string. Paper and string. कागज सूता जमती लगी सेमती पड़ी तले. It is dead. Okay? अच्छा. Where is the kite? Very happy in the air or on the ground? Who can say? Where is very happy? When it is in the air. Yes, when it is in the air. Students, look at the poem. How many stanzas are there in the poem? How many stanzas? Yes, can you say? How many stanzas? 2 stanzas. Yes, there are 2 stanzas in the poem. What does the first stanza talk about? Yes, what does the first stanza talk about? A kite on the ground is just paper and string, but up in the air it will dance and sing. What does the first stanza talk about? The first stanza talks about the kite is on the ground. The kite is dead on the ground, inactive. What does the second stanza talk about? You can say. The second stanza talk about the kite is in the air. That means the kite is active. Yes or no? It will dance and sing. Very nice. What do the first 2 lines of the first stanza talk about? 2 lines. First 2 lines. The kite on the ground is just paper and string. That means It is on the ground. It is just like only a paper and string. It is dead. Yes or no? Just only a paper and string. The first two lines of first stanza talk about kite on the ground or kite in the air. The kite on the ground. What do the first two lines on second stanza talk about? The first two lines in the second stanza talks about the kite is in the air. The kite is in the air. So many thanks. Next, we see what is the rhyming word? Who can say? Look at the poem. What are the rhyming words? Rhyming words. Same pronouncing words. Suppose mu kahi string. What is the rhyming word of string? You see your poem. Who can say string? String, sing, ring, king. These are the rhyming words. What words? Which word do we find in our poem? String. What is the rhyming word of this string? Sing. Yes, very good. Then caper. What is the rhyming word of caper? Yes, caper. Paper. Yes, good. Next. Caper, paper. String, sing. Next, we develop our visual memory. Look at the picture and look at the poem. Okay, then close your eyes. On your finger, the word ground. जोटी ग्राउंड लिखाई तार ऊपर तुम फिंगर ऑन कल देखिया कोट लिखाई ग्राउंड. ओपन योर आईज. देख लो एबे वेदर यू आर राइट और रॉन्ग. तुम्हें ठीक कहल ना भूल कहीच? कई जन पिला कहीच ठीक. नाइस, बहुत बढ़िया. देन अगेन लुक एट द पिक्चर. क्लोज योर आईज. Finger on color, the kite is on the ground. Open your eyes. देख लो एबे तुम्हें ठीक कहीच कि भूल कहीच? समस्त ठीक कहीच. वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. देन एबे मु तुमको किसी वर्ड कहबी. से वर्ड को समस्ते प्रैक्टिस करिबा. देख तुम पाई किसी न्यू वर्ड जेमती अच्छी केपर. CAPER केपर. केपर, केपर. समस्ते कुह मो संगे केपर. केपर. स्ट्रिंग. स्ट्रिंग. Good. String. Caper. Next. Very good. एबे गोटे लाइन मु कहबी. मो सांगरे से कहबो तापर समस्त से लाइन को सब पिला माने कहबे. ओके. ए काइट ऑन द ग्राउंड. तमे समस्त से कहबो तापर कहबो ए काइट ऑन द ग्राउंड. A kite on the ground. A kite on the ground. तापरे a kite in the air. A kite in the air. A kite in the air. Very good. एक ए जिनसटा को एबे आमे प्रैक्टिस करिबा ए पोएम टा को. Many thanks to you.